दामन से जो आए उन हवाओं को सलाम, छू लूं मैं उस जुबां को जिस पे आए तेरा नाम। सबसे प्यारी सुबह तेरी, सबसे रंगी तेरी शाम, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी जान। माँ का दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है तू, माँ का दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है तू, और कभी नन्ही सी बेटी बन के याद आता है तू। जितना याद आता है मुझको उतना तड़पाता है तू, तुझको दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। छोड़ कर तेरी ज़मीं को दूर आ पहुँचे हैं हम, छोड़ कर तेरी ज़मीं को दूर आ पहुँचे हैं हम। फिर भी है यही तमन्ना तेरे ज़र्रों की कसम, हम जहाँ पैदा हुए उस जगह ही निकले दम, तुझको दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, है मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझको दिल कुर्बान।
सो दोस्तों अज मैंने बड़ी खुशी हो रही है मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਡੌਨ ਐਚਸਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੇ, ਆਪਣੇ ਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਮੇਅਰ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਮਾਈ ਬਾਪ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ, ਚਲੋ ਆਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ। Welcome Don to our program, apna Saskatoon.
Well, thanks so much for having me. It's a wonderful night. It's a great night to be able to celebrate together.
Yes, it is. So tell me about that. You come every year at this event, or it's the first time you be here?
Oh no, we come every year. It's one of those events you just can't miss. Not only is it a great event that brings people together, it's got wonderful food too, and you can see I'm well rounded, you know. So it's a great time to come together, meet our friends, and really celebrate. It was like last year when we were at the temple for the sod turning ceremonies and that for the expansion. And some of the funds tonight will go towards helping with the future expansion and all the new immigrants that are coming to Saskatoon. When you think of it, last year 11,237 people to Saskatoon.
Yes.
And they're coming from all parts of the world, different cultures and that. But isn't it a great place to live that is welcoming and inclusive?
Yes, I think so. The diversification of the city itself is a big achievement. And even I listened to your speech that how you committed are for all the, you know, not for only the new immigrants, but all the different cultural and diversification people you have. Anything you want to just message to our viewers?
Well, first of all, to all the new viewers and that, the newcomers to Saskatoon, Saskatchewan and Canada, I just want to say welcome. welcome, first of all. I've got a tremendous amount of admiration and respect for people coming here. I had the opportunity to live in the United States for 4 or 5 years, and people think Canadians and Americans are the same. Well, I tell people, I said, well, they speak American, we speak Canadian, the English speak English. And there's different cultures, different things that happen all the time. It's a real cultural shock for people who are moving here. Not only the culture, but the weather and that, and for people to come here and to embrace what we have in our community is absolutely fantastic.
I do remember that. It's the first winter for me. I just moved from BC, so it's kind of challenging to live in Saskatoon for initially for first winter, but I think so. It's quite promising and emerging, the area, and I think the whole Canada, not Canada, I think the whole world is watching to Saskatoon, especially over Saskatchewan.
Absolutely. We've got the #1 economy overall in Canada, one of the top economies overall in the world. People are hearing of the successes that are here, and people want to be able to come and be able to participate and be part of it. So I think it's absolutely great.
Yeah, and I think so, especially I'm from North India, I'm a farmer, so it's easy to connect with Saskatoon when you see all the beautiful farms here, and I think it's wonderful.
Yes, it's a great place, and I just say welcome to everyone, and I know we're going to have a great night tonight.
Yes, thank you so much, Don, for talking to Upland Saskatoon.
My pleasure.
And please make sure that you watch our show too.
I will so.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Take a chance.
So I'm pleased to introduce Don Morgan, Advanced Education Minister. Welcome, Don.
Thank you very much. I'm pleased to be here.
So how are you enjoying the food and evening, and I think so get together?
This is a good event. I've been here 3 or 4 times before. I'm not a really brave person with the spices, so I've got somebody that's giving me good advice as to what to try in small doses, and we're enjoying the event. What I really like about this type of event is we have a lot of new Canadians come to it, and it's nice that they share their culture with us. We're glad that they chose Canada and chose Saskatchewan, but I really enjoy sharing with them.
And I think so from the last couple of years, it's kind of the perfect place for students to come and study in Saskatoon. So what especially you're doing like for advanced education, or what programs you have, like in brief you can tell me?
We've got a number of programs targeted specifically for advanced education to try and make sure that students stay in our province. During the time that they're an undergraduate, we have a scholarship for every student, $500 per year up to a maximum of $2,000. And then after a student graduates, if they stay in Saskatchewan, we have a $27,000 done over several years. That's a refundable tax credit, so that those people will stay in the province, because what we're trying to do is encourage people to build a career, start a family, and become good tax-paying citizens in our province. Yes,
I think so. It's amazing to know this kind of details. I think so. Not my viewers, I think so, know these things, but definitely will maybe another time. It may be not the right occasion. Maybe we'll try to reach at your office and we can discuss in a, and like to know and pass on details so that all the students. I think so. We have quite a number of large people from the student side, our viewers, and also from South Asia, which they have privilege to study in Saskatoon, and definitely we'll try to bring this information later on. But thank you so much. You would like to give any message to our viewers?
You know, this is the type of event I'd encourage everybody in the city to come out to. But to the students at the University of Saskatchewan, I'd encourage them to consider their career options. Saskatchewan's a great place. We have the lowest unemployment rate, 3.8%. I'd like to encourage them to look for careers in our province.
Thank you, Don. Thanks for having me show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take a